I'm recording now. All right. You see my stream, right?
Or-
Yes, we can see it.
Yeah.
Okay. So, starting from Sunday, you remember what I was talking about? I want to see these liquidity objectives get taken out.
Yes.
Yeah, we ended up taking them out. I'm pretty sure we saw an SMT somewhere around here. Let me check real quick.
Divergence.
Yeah, SMT divergence. No, we did not get any SMT here. But market still pushed higher. And I remember I told you guys not to trade Mondays because you have accumulation like this, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yeah, and I can't really see any trade setups I would take because this is at 5 a.m. We don't really want to trade 5 a.m. By 9:30, we got the open volatility, which I do like to trade sometimes. And right after that, we took out these highs instead of a higher time frame PD array. But we did have news
Yeah.
which would mess it up. So 4 contracts right here, the sweep, displacement lower, retracement. I was gonna take a short off this, but from yesterday's teaching, I was on NQ. I took the short with 4 contracts on NQ. My account, the 4K I made last week, gone. Right here, I'll go back and replay.
Dang.
Right here, enter,
Mhm.
entered 4 sell contracts. Teacher took away everything, so I couldn't even watch to make sure it's wrong. So I just entered, left it, stop. I think my stop or take profit will get hit either one, and then this is what happened, bro. 3K is gone.
Damn, bro.
So, with that in mind, I'm never gonna do that again. If she tries taking my phone, I'm gonna flip desk, go on a rampage.
That's on mute.
Oh, sorry.
All right, so right here you could see that we obviously swept this low right here. All these equal lows, and we didn't really get a reaction. I mean, we got this fair value gap, but no reaction. Most PD arrays don't really work that well on Monday, considering it's just pure consolidation. I mean, that's how it was last Monday too. It's just gonna be consolidation. And
Yeah.
tomorrow, I want to see some sort of
Yeah.
manipulation move, depending on our bias. Because
You think it's gonna go down or up?
I'm thinking it's gonna go down. We shifted.
Yeah, that's what I
market structure
thought
right here.
too.
Yeah, but look at what we have on the daily.
Yeah, same.
I had my standard deviation.
Hopping on the daily, we're just chopping around. These lows haven't been violated, and we have been
God.
higher on the daily.
Mhm.
Retracement. If we push higher one more time, there'll just be a break of structure at this high, which I want to see. But I'll clear my chart since I won't have another video. Okay.
Alright.
So, do you guys want to go into what I'm expecting for tomorrow, or do you have any questions?
Yeah. Just on standard deviation, like,
So,
where do you place it again? Is it on liquidity sweeps?
yeah,
Just to make
you
sure.
could use it on liquidity sweeps too, because we got. I'll go over an example. This is a liquidity sweep, stop raid, and you want to put it at the high and the low, or the swing high and the swing low of the manipulated move, like the one that took out the liquidity. It would actually be kind of hard, but we could say it's this internal sweep. I'm not 100% sure though, because this isn't really a good example. But yeah, that probably wasn't it. Let me find a better example for you guys, because yeah, let me find one. This is just a 3 drives. I already went over this yesterday. Right here. Just
The
this
3 drives, right?
Yeah,
You
this
said
swing
right?
high to this swing low. That's what it would be.
Alright.
It only goes back, by the way, and then you could see it precisely took out the slow.
Oh, gotcha.
See, it's basically like the order blocks. Like the entire move would be considered an order block. You know what that is, right?
Okay. Yeah, I know what an order block is.
Okay, good.
Can you go over the breakers one more time?
Yeah, of course. Let's go back and find a good breaker.
I haven't really
What
catch
time
that
frame, by the way?
concept
What
yet.
time frame?
Let's do the 5, because that's usually what I'm in.
Okay. I also like to check out higher time frame stuff too, but that's alright. This is the one of the market maker reversal models. Do you know the Ghost?
Not familiar.
It's basically a head and shoulders retail pattern, but it's when market structure shifts.
Yeah.
It's just one thing I want you guys to learn. So it's like just head and shoulders, or it looks like a low ghost. It's like boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, I kind of see it.
Yeah. That's what it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else? Oh yeah, we were on breakers. Let me find a good example of a breaker.
Breakers.
Oh yeah, so when I was trading earlier, my breaker just got disrespected with the fair value gaps, like just pushed both.
Yeah, when your bullish PD arrays start getting disrespected, that's when you want to start seeing order flow in a different direction. Cause I'll show you what I mean by that. You can see that this bullish PD array was respected for the most part. We have a little bit of mohawks right here. Mohawks are basically when we start just tapping outside, mainly just wicks, because market can't be that precise, but it will color around the lines to hide the algo.
Yeah.
Oh, Hawks, gotcha.
But yeah, you can see we disrespect this fair value gap, this bearish fair value gap, and you know we're bullish from it. Because you'll have all these bullish PD arrays, if they get violated, like keep going down. Because if we have fair value gaps right here, this is respect if we got tapped. But any bullish PD arrays that, or bearish PD arrays that gets disrespected, order flow is opposite. So I don't know how to explain it. See this fair value gap, disrespected, we continue higher, take this high, go lower. So this is end of day, so no volatility. I'll find some more examples of breakers, because this high would be a breaker too. And basically, you know the pattern, right? High, low,
Yeah.
high, tap back into it, continue higher.
I took notes on it
Yeah.
today.
Okay, good. I just want to make sure you grasp it, because this would actually be a really good one, because we swept liquidity right here.
And then it made a higher high,
Yeah,
and then tapped in and dumped.
right there. And we also have the
Then
little
tap
ghost
in
right here
again,
too.
and
Boom,
then
boom,
dump.
boom, boom, boom. Which a ghost is only just a failure to break
Yeah.
structure.
Oh, what?
It's failure to break structure, because we break structure right here, we go down, we retrace. We want to see market structure get broken through again as a break of structure right here.
Mhm.
But we do not. We fail to break structure, and we shift market structure right here. Then we come
Yeah.
back up after failing to break structure, retrace into this. You
Mhm.
could literally just short this, but still end of day, I wouldn't take this.
What holds more power, a market structure shift or break a structure?
It depends.
Or more
It's just
influence?
influence. I'd say break of structures do, but sometimes break of structures are sweeps, because this is a break of structure right here. This is a market
Mhm.
structure shift, actually. We could have called this right here. This is a market structure shift.
Isn't a breaker structure like a continuation, right?
Yeah, break of structure is a continuation.
Continuation of the
Yep.
trend. Yeah.
Like, okay.
And also,
Yeah, what's up?
so you know how there's high resisting liquidity, right?
Yep.
Is there like an opposite version for like the low side, like high supporting liquidity, if you know what I mean?
It's the same thing. It's the same in high resistance liquidity. But I could try finding an example, but we have to find one where market is bullish. But yeah, it'd just be the same thing.
Gotcha.
Alright. I mean, this could count, because I think this is 3 drives right here. Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
see that.
sweep. Sweep. Sweep twice.
Sweet.
Yeah, and this is, you can
So
watch this pre-market, you'll see it come up. Then we're 9:30. Oh yeah, this is some news event, because there's no way we pump up like this
oh
much,
my
so
gosh.
yeah.
Would FIP retracement
So
work on that?
Fib, we could check actually. We will see, because it probably
and
does.
is that
From
thing
the
to
lowest low to the
yeah.
Yeah,
most recent
Yep. This
high.
is a manipulated move. This is, it's probably this high right here. Yeah. For the most
Yeah,
part,
it's
I'd say,
pretty
yeah, it's
accurate.
pretty accurate. Go straight up. Low ghost, then we go lower. This,
Can we go over your analysis for tomorrow after?
yeah.
Like you're done talking about what you're talking.
What else do you want to see right now? Because I could also show you like higher time frame, because higher time frames hold a lot more power than lower time
Yeah.
frames. Like higher time
Was there
frame.
some? Sorry. So with like, I don't know if where I saw it, but when it makes equal highs like that, like if it meets there, does that mean it's gonna go bearish? Like once it meets,
If we have equal highs, what do you mean?
like if we meet that equal high and it doesn't break through, does that mean we'll go bearish?
You might have to draw what you mean. Hold up. So if we have equal highs and we don't take it and we go down,
Oh no, for the highest high for this trend, like up a little bit where the X is,
right here, or are you
up,
talking about this?
up still, where the X is, your target.
Oh, right here, right?
No, yeah.
Yeah, this is just a draw on liquidity. This is my target for where I want to see market go to tomorrow. I don't like how we had this little sweep of all these equal highs and we pushed lower. Kind of swept this, but it doesn't really count. Then we broke market structure like right around here. Actually, no, we still haven't broken market structure. Wicks don't count. We need a displacement or multiple closes below. So it could still go
Mhm.
bullish and take out our target.
So you can only call it market structure shift if there's a displacement or multiple
Yeah,
candles
mainly
below
it's just
the
signified by
previous
a close below, which this market structure shift also on lower time frames this would also be
Yeah,
considered one because we close above, retrace, and we go higher.
gotcha.
What else do you want to see?
Your analysis for tomorrow.
Okay, for my analysis tomorrow, let me
Yeah,
check news because that's the first thing we want to see. We want to see what type of news we have tomorrow. I'll just paste it in the thing real quick so you can actually see it. Okay. Right here, this is the news we have tomorrow. We have core retail sales and retail sales, which red folder news you don't really want to be trading around red folder news, but this is all pre-market, so we're probably going to see some crazy moves pre-market, like more volatility. Maybe some big wicks, but that would help. We have nothing throughout the day, so we should be good to trade most of the day, like after market opens, because the damage will already be done. So going into tomorrow, I'm going to go basically do top down from daily, because I know we're in a daily fair value gap right here. Okay. Yeah, we just barely tapped this. Barely tapped this daily fair value gap. We actually respected it pretty nicely. Pushed through this bearish PD array. Let me calculate real quick.
I don't know if it shows any like your personal information when it said session disconnect, so you should
I
go
think it
check
shows
that.
my IP, but I don't care. Wait, I
yeah,
have
you
a
can just
VPN.
cut
I
that
have a
out.
VPN. I'm good. Let them dox me. All right. So sweep. I don't think we still haven't gone to market structure shifts unless we're talking about the 5 minute. But if we instantly retrace, this is just a higher time frame liquidity sweep. Honestly, I'm gonna need a little bit more time. Give me a second. Let's go over the hourly real quick because it takes a while to do your analysis. We still have this high that I want to see violated, but keeping in mind we just took out this one. This would also be considered an order block right here too.
You just gonna sweep liquidity then push out,
Yeah, and we have
break that low and then push out.
yeah, market structure shift. Honestly, I'm bullish. I wouldn't really trade in conditions like this because when your biases are hard to determine, when you don't know if a market's going to go up or
Mhm.
down for sure, you want to be cautious. But tomorrow's a manipulation day. It can go either way. Then Wednesday and Thursday is a move that we want to take. So we'll just watch what's going to happen because if we just sweep higher time frame liquidity, no, bullish liquidity, buy side up here, then we're going to go lower. We're just going to continue moving lower for the rest of the day. I honestly think market wants to come down, revisit all these equal lows. So maybe this could be the beginning of it. So if we're going to use that logic, we have this liquidity I want to see taken out first. This fair value gap respected. Maybe with some news because I like the volatility we have with news. Come up here, tap into it possibly, chop around, displace lower, retrace, something like this. Maybe form a ghost or something.
Hmm.
Because lower time
And
frame.
it's in the order block right now, or did it
No, we
just
tapped the
tap
order
into
block.
it?
Yeah, we tapped into it. But we didn't close
Yeah,
below. So I'm thinking market could push us a bit higher.
and then push down through
Yeah.
the order block, or
Yeah, push down through it. This order
gotcha,
block will be
gotcha.
invalid by that time. But I want to see the
Mhm.
manipulated move. I want to see something strong. Something that can be seen on maybe 15-minute, 30-minute, or hourly.
And if I can ask, is it a Wait, what is manipulation in the
It's
market? Is it just like a liquidity
yeah.
sweep or
Liquidity
something?
sweep or when there's obviously something like markets moving, we create highs.
Like a big.
Boom, boom. Yeah, that would be manipulation when
Oh,
it's obviously not caused by the algorithm.
gotcha.
It's when there's literally a bank coming in or
Just
some prop firm coming in to take out orders to fill in the
like a
gap.
lot of reversals,
I mean,
technically.
maybe, but in the first month of core content, you need accumulation, then you need distribution, retracement, before you can get a reversal.
Distribution is just like a big push up,
Yeah,
right
yeah,
after
because right here,
accumulation.
this is accumulation, this is
Mhm.
distribution, now we're
And
back at
then,
accumulation.
gotcha.
And
And I heard a term called. Huh?
no, keep going.
Oh, I heard a term called expansion.
Yeah,
What is that
expansion
one?
is basically distribution,
Oh, okay, okay.
which I'm
Yeah,
also
I
calling
guess.
Wednesday and Thursday are expansion because you can see Wednesday we expanded, Thursday we continued expanding. Manipulated move, expansion over. No, that's actually expansion, then more expansion, then Friday, retracement.
Didn't that big displacement down be manipulation?
This, not really. It's just
On
following
the
the trend. This is manipulation up here.
yeah,
There are some
up
macros too.
there.
One of my secret indicators I use is the macros because, look, this is manipulation. You see this? We entered,
That
yeah, we entered
when
the
it goes up and
no, it's just this violently sweeping this with no previous. Yeah, there's no news drivers, nothing happening here. Just out of nowhere, market goes down, takes out all these sell stops, and continues higher.
oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
it's
yeah,
basically when we
okay.
take
I
out
get
sell
that.
stops or buy stops. But
Mm,
these macro times, it's basically what silver bullet is. It's when the market has more implied volatility in it, and if there's nothing
gotcha.
really happening, you can expect manipulation like this.
Mm,
So you can see expansion, expansion. This is on Friday. I'd say this is retracement, but it only has expansion. But yeah, weekly
wait,
expansion. Hmm?
is this indicator premium or is it free?
No, it's free. It's free. It's called ICT macros. Let me see if I can find it.
ICT.
Yeah, ICT macros.
All right, gotcha.
It's Lux
Thanks.
algos. Yeah, I just turn it on once in a while to see what time it is because this is how sometimes
Mm,
I'm like, my take profit's gonna get hit at 345 and 345 right here. Take profit hit at these highs.
yeah.
That's you could just call it stuff like that. Be a little bit more precise. Because sometimes I like watching or entering a trade right before macro time. It's another confluence I add up. Because I know
Mhm.
we seek liquidity during these macro times. You see how we consolidate chop. The second we enter 315, that's when we start getting our move up to take liquidity.
See.
I used to use the breaker blocks too because I didn't know how to place down
Pick a
breakers.
block. Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know what to do, but I went through all the core, not all of the core content, but I went through most of it, and I got it.
Mhm.
I got it now. We're good.
Yeah.
This is a breaker right here. Oh.
Is there anything you would just want to go over, just explain in general, that you think you should just touch on for your
Let's go
audience?
over power of three because, you know the manipulation. Okay, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, right?
Yeah.
My other indicator,
Sort of.
boxes. There we go, boxes. So,
This for sessions.
not really. It's just basically what I used to see. It basically simplifies my days. Because, okay, right here, this is actually a prime example. So we have accumulation, manipulation, then distribution throughout the day. Some people, they just trade straight power of three. They see the accumulation, all this respected, these highs, lows, respected. We go lower. This would be our manipulation, then this is our distribution. Which, it's basically boom, 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 and boom, boom. A move like this of some sort, then we go lower.
Mm, see.
Could it also work vice versa?
But yeah, vice versa. It works both ways. Like right here, accumulation. This isn't actually our manipulative move because you could see straight down. But then when we hit this, all these highs are taken out. Then
Yeah.
we continue
Then
lower.
that's manipulation, right?
Didn't you take the trade on the right, the high resistance liquidity one?
High resist. Which one? Oh yeah, I took the one. Wait,
On
which
the
one?
right, on the
Right
right.
here?
That
Yeah,
one, that
yeah,
one.
of course.
Yeah, the three
I,
drives and then
I took three high resistance liquidity run plays in a row with standard deviation. All three of them hit their profit targets. 0.5.
lives.
All of them.
Wait. Okay. No, I already asked this. It's just like so with standard deviation, like you can only do it like at liquidity sweeps, right?
Yeah, basically after liquidity sweeps or manipulated moves. Like, I mean, I'm just gonna keep it simple. The swing
Mm.
high and swing low of a either liquidity sweep or three drives.
And let me just make sure what a swing high is. Is it just like the highest point?
Yeah, swing high like this. Swing high. This is swing low. You could also use this for little sweeps like this, and you could see it's pretty accurate. See that?
Oh wow.
Yeah, I like using it. It's one of my better tools I use. It's a little toolbox.
Swing high, swing low. Gotcha.
Yeah, so this is swing high, then low.
All right. Hmm.
Pretty sure that would be an order block that. No, that was not. Fair value gap. What caused that? Or was that a sweep? Do you think this would be considered a sweep?
Yeah. Ooh. Mm.
I kind of like
Yeah.
the
I
way
mean,
area. I like this area that we rejected off of. Some people would call it a rejection block. I don't really trade those.
rejection block.
Rejection block, yeah. It's not what ICT says in its core content. A rejection block, I haven't seen an example of it. I've been trying to backtest and find it. I have not found it.
Hmm.
It's basically, I'll just imagine this is super close up. We go high, continue higher. Hold up. Go higher, continue higher. Then we consolidate. We create a low. We disrespect the body of the candle, but not the wick. So pretend this is a wick. We didn't sweep the liquidity, but pretend this is a wick of a candle. Wish I could draw it all for you guys. But we go above the body of the candle right here, and
Yeah.
we go lower. That would be a rejection block. So you don't really have to take the highs for it to go lower. You just have to violate the body. Oh yeah, another topic I want to go over. There's also something called consequent encroachment, which is just this.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. The 0.5.
Yeah, 0.5. Is it consequent encroachment or is it? I think it might be that one or
It's consequent encroachment.
yeah, it's that one or there's another name for it I think, but I forgot what it was. But this wick at this high.
Influence.
Hmm?
That was the second word that I heard. Consequent confluence or something.
Yeah, consequent encroachment. So look at this right here. Wait, bro, here you here?
Yes.
All right. So you can see this high right here. We come back up into it during Asia session. We respect the 0.5 of this wick. We go lower. We come back up one more time. We respect it. Push lower. You could short this fair value gap right here, and it would be an amazing play.
Wait, so is that a what is that exactly?
I don't really know the science behind
Like-
it, but this is also a sweep right here. But the consequent encroachment was respected, and that's what I would like to see.
Wait, what do you call that?
Just the consequent encroachment of the wick. CE of the wick.
With like the equilibrium? I forgot what it's called. The
Yeah, I
point
used
zero
the GAN box. Yeah, 0.5.
or the
is
GAN box.
equilibrium.
On box.
So how do you
Damn.
place that?
Box.
Like
Oh, it's just the wick, high and low of the wick.
The
Only the
wick
wick.
of the- Can't you do that with fair value gaps and equilibriums?
Yeah, you could. You could. I used 0.5 for the fair value gaps. This is also another breaker example right here. Then when you
Oh,
can see
so-
it, we start. To
yeah, that's what I
respect
was
it.
asking.
Yeah.
So that's a breaker
Yeah,
right
this
there
is a breaker
at the
right here. Yeah.
Yeah.
at the top too.
At the top right here.
Yeah, yeah. What is that?
Oh, this
That's
is
what I
the
was asking.
consequent encroachment of the high of day.
Oh, okay.
Basically, I don't really know too much science about it, but I do see it being used a lot, and I see how it is pretty precise. Let me scale down to 5
And
minutes.
it's used on like the highest highs on the wick.
Yeah, the high of the day on the wick of the high of the day. Oops. I don't think that would be enough. I want to see standard deviation, bit of projection for this, but that's not accurate enough.
Damn, bro. So big.
Yeah, but 0.5 respected. I want to go over a few more power of 3 examples because I really like power of 3. And we don't even go back that far, my bad.
Accumulation, distribution, and manipulation.
Yeah, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We'll go over turtle soups, but right now I want to see. Can someone stream and go over anything, like any questions you have? It can be absolutely anything.
Sure. Or I should probably just put my trading view.
Yeah, streaming trading view. You can go over
Um,
back test. I can coach you, whatever you like.
Let me pull it up.
we'll go right here. How would you have taken this long?
You're not streaming.
Yeah,
I'm
you're
not.
not.
Oh wait, crap. My bad, guys.
Sky.
Wait, yeah, no.
All right, show me real quick. You can see the ghost. You can see everything.
Yeah. So would this be a? Sorry, my
So
eyes are tripping. It's just the wick, correct?
wait, what is it supposed to be?
Breaker.
A breaker. It's when price runs through it. Price has to run through a breaker. That could be consequent encroachment. See if that gets respected.
Cause the one right here.
Yes.
Oh, it has to
Yeah.
go.
Price has to go through it.
Ah. Yes. So it'd have to be placed, for example. Sorry, I did not mean to place that. So this one, or do you know where I'm trying to get at?
Not exactly. I mean
Then you have the
I mean
middle
that
line
could
in
be high
there.
of the day, or yeah, that could be high of the day. Consequent encroachment, maybe just a rejection block. We just placed past it
Mhm.
though. That level is actually
Disrespected
respected.
it.
Yeah. Tap back into it, went lower. Could also just be the fair
And
value
then,
gap though. Continuously respected it.
ah.
Um,
So wait, where was the bearish one I had
bearish.
placed over
Let
there?
me see.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, that's a
'Cause there was
bearish
just a
breaker though.
swing low and a swing high.
Yeah, swing low, swing high. It'd be better if the swing low would sweep liquidity, but as long as it gets ran through, we're expecting price to retrace into it and go lower.
Hmm. So how would I? Is there any breaker over here?
Let me see real quick. Are you looking for a
It,
bearish one? Because
bearish or
right,
bullish? Just
to your
either
right of
or.
it, there's one to your right of it. Hold up. Oh, yeah, right there. That's a breaker. Yeah, that's a breaker.
What's the high of this?
High. And
This.
move it to the right. There you go. That's a breaker.
Okay, I don't know what's happening. And then how to react.
I want to go over order blocks, but we could save that for another time. I just want you guys to get good at what I taught you so far. Because the stuff you showed me
So,
earlier today in the server, that was amazing.
Mhm.
okay. So this is how it reacted. It tapped in and just shot up.
Let me see real quick. I think it has something to do with that liquidity sweep. Because look at that low. I want to see if we
Yeah, it
took out
also
that low.
swept
Because there's a low
liquidity
right
as
on it.
well.
Can you go to the left a little bit, please? Yeah, that. Can you draw out that low and see if we swept that or not? Yep. Yeah, there you go. To the right a bit. Oh, we did. That's what caused it. Could have also
So
been
did the
one on
breaker
one.
block have any sort of influence on it or no?
Can you zoom into that one part real quick then? I gotta see it real
Right
quick.
here?
Yeah. Zoom out a bit. Can you like scroll it up so it's a little bit like longer? Candles are longer. Other way, please.
Wait,
There
oh.
you go. Thank you. Yeah, and I'll just zoom into it. That's an order block, but it didn't reject off that. It could have been the breaker, honestly. Yeah, could have been the
The
breaker.
order block.
Just a sweep in the breaker.
Then that'd be a
I
bullish
want to
one.
see. Can you use consequent? I mean, can you use standard deviation on that one? On that sweep? I just want to see how accurate it is.
On this one
No, the
or
one back there. Yeah,
oh
right
wait,
there. I want to
yeah.
see if we could have called the entire move because manipulated move. Low to the high to the left. Other way. It's the other way. It's to the left.
Oh wait.
Yeah, it only goes to the left. Yeah, there you go.
Always go back.
Okay, so we did actually end up taking that. Wow. Because usually people just target the 2 and 2.5 level of it. Scale it right there.
Yeah, not
It's
all
kind
the
of bad
way.
to take out the. It's kind of bad to target the 5, but I've come to trust it way too much.
I would probably do it around here. From like this area to like this area. Or maybe even 4. But
Yeah. Do you guys want to go over low resistance liquidity?
Low resistance.
isn't it
It's
just
the
the
same thing
opposite
as
of high
yeah.
resistance just for driving lows, three
No,
driving
it's
lows.
actually something that's really good for, um, if you want like fast volatile movements, like your take profit to get hit quickly.
Then
Yeah.
yeah, sure.
Can you go over it, please?
Yeah. I'm still streaming.
All right.
Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Wow.
Do you suggest I get that indicator?
Maybe I'd honestly say yeah, cause or you could
I'm
honestly
only
spot
allowed
it.
to
You
have
could
two.
see, yeah, you could spot this. And you could just already spot the sweep, the accumulation, manipulation, then our distribution. Right there.
Yes. Yeah.
Good. Let's find low resistance liquidity, which, oh shoot. Okay, my bad. Okay, it's basically when a whole bunch of irrelevant, like slow moving, lows. I want to find a really good example because we got a lot when price was moving a lot slower. Like insignificant lows that if you take them out, it wouldn't be a sweep. It wouldn't be considered a sweep. Because this would be considered low resistance liquidity right here. Because we have so much highs and it moved down so slowly that price wants to just eat up all of that, just demolish all of it, and actually end up sweeping it.
So the highs of a downtrend.
Yeah, if there's a ton of highs, like it's moving down like this, then you're
Mm,
gonna want to see price take out all of it, just demolish all of it. Like right here,
yeah.
really slow moving lows, and price eats it. This is too fast. This wouldn't be considered one. It also works in bearish scenarios too.
Yeah, I see. So once you see like a what are these called? Low resistant liquidity, right?
Yeah, I wish I could find
Yeah,
better
once you
examples
see,
for you guys, but
and then so once you see these, you just enter on like market structure shift,
not
something
really.
like that.
I'm just adding it as another confluence for you guys. Just a bunch of these slow moving lows. It's low resistance liquidity. Like price will just move through it like it's a knife, and then sweep the high of it.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
Could you
this
go
this is this is
over
really nice low resistance liquidity right here. Oh
low?
yeah, low resistance liquidity. See this? There's not even any
Yeah.
significant highs right here. Price takes it.
Could you go over the placement of order blocks?
Yes.
I still have not got onto that.
I don't want
Or
to
actually, no.
get
Do
you
you
guys
want to do that in
confused.
another video?
I don't want to get you guys confused with learning too many confluences, but we can go over like the grasp of it.
I know what it does. I just don't know placement.
Placement. I mean, this is an order block right here.
How so?
Okay. So we have the sweep right here. You're gonna want to see. Honestly, it would be this one right here, but the entire up move, like what you do for standard deviation, it's the low of that move. I want to find an instance where that's actually respected. Let's find one. They're way easier to spot when you're trading real time, but I'm just looking for an example where they're absolutely overpowered in.
Yo, guys.
Hi
So
guys.
Doji's
What up,
Hello.
Doges?
What's up, bro?
Here, Doges, join Digital Collective. They're in the middle of recording.
Yep.
Fine.
Not much people would be watching at this point, so I'm not too worried.
Or
Especially because I'm fumbling with
Right.
order blocks.
Yeah.
Where would it? I mean, this would be one here. Last up candle before
And
large
once
down
it
movement.
taps in, it dumps.
Yeah, we go lower after it.
Would it be smart to go back to TJR? Because I know he trades mainly off of order block or
mean-
order blocks.
No, I don't really like TGR's order blocks. Because I could go over a higher time frame. Like if I go on the higher time frame, we could probably find them a lot easier. But the way TGR traded when I was in his Discord, it was like these 1 minute liquidity sweeps and these order blocks. Like he'd say, "Oh, this is an order block right here." Boom, take a trade off this, then we actually move. But
I mean, he's profitable though. So.
I know. I'm just saying he has a really good strategy. He just follows the move with it. He just follows the move according to his bias, which it's actually a proper strategy. It's what ICT wants. Because you can see this order block, another order block. Just a bunch of these down close candles or order blocks. That's
Wait, how do
honestly
you
pretty-
place it though? Can you like place it with like a just or like can you do the triangle so I can see like the whole thing
Wait, which
or
triangle?
of the order block?
Right.
The rectangle. Sorry,
Oh, okay. It would
dude,
just.
I
It
do
would
not
just
know
be.
my
It's
shape.
all good, bro. Don't worry.
Oh my gosh, bro, that's actually embarrassing.
Nah, don't worry. Don't worry.
Okay.
I think I forgot
Is
what
it
an order
a
block is. No way.
Isn't that an order block?
I mean, I'm
Oh,
just trying to find one that's actually respected decently.
Isn't it typically on lows
Yeah.
and
I
highs?
mean, this would be
Like
considered one,
tips?
but I gotta go into a.
And it got tapped in.
I mean, yeah, it would just be the entire body of the candle. We got tapped into it. Let me go on a higher time frame because I'm not good with these lower time frame ones. I don't really
So,
in 1 minute.
like, that wasn't the highest high in that situation. Does it have to be the highest high or
No,
for
it just
that?
has to be the last up candle before a massive down movement because this would also be considered one, but I just take this one to be safe.
Oh wait, isn't it the candlestick before the like movement up or down?
Yeah, like this would be considered one, but we just disrespected. It's good to look at our order blocks being respected and disrespected, like intraday too, for order flow. Yeah, this would be one right here. The entire down move. Tap right into it, continue higher. Which, not even too much higher. This is probably end of day. Ooh, I gotta restudy. Or maybe I'm just bad at spotting him now. Became an old man.
Wait, hold on, I'm gonna share my
Oh,
screen
here's
real quick.
one. Here's one. This is actually a really good example of an order block.
Okay, cool. Hold on, I'm gonna watch that and then.
yeah, I see it now.
Also, people just like to say breaker blocks are order blocks too.
I don't think they're really the same.
Yeah, I know, but that's what people just go. They just say that because the up move.
So, sorry.
No, it's good. Up move. This would be considered an order block too, because last up candle before an impulsive down candle. Move up.
Oh yeah, well now I see it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this would be an order block,
People just
especially because we swept it too.
mm,
But you can see that this is also a breaker block, because up, down, sweep, push higher, retrace it back into it.
then tapped again.
Wait, would this be an order block right here?
Let me see.
Let's on the 1 hour.
1 hour? Let me see. Wait, which one? That one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be considered an order block. I mean, it's only the body of the candle. Not the wick, just the body. You could drag it to
There
like,
we go.
yeah, you could drag, wait, the edge of it.
Oh wait,
The up
never mind. I
corner.
was
You could just drag like the edge of it, like the bottom left corner. Right there,
Oh,
yeah.
there. That's
See?
so much
We got
easier.
respected. Then we ended up
And
sweeping.
then
That's a right. Wait, that's an order block.
bearish, and then-
Yeah, that's an order block. They're way easier to spot on higher time frames because they also get respected a lot more.
Is it just the body or the wick? Just the body?
Only the body, yeah.
Yeah, I don't think that did not get tapped. That did absolutely nothing.
And then you can use standard deviation there, right? Like where he was before. Yeah.
Yeah, I
Right
don't
here?
really lecture it. This one I don't. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
you can see a high resistance liquidity at those lows too. Especially in
Mhm.
that pre-market 1 hour. You see
1,
that?
2, 3.
Yep. You see, they're kind of hard to find. It's really tedious to find the order blocks.
Yeah. Like I don't know if this would count. I mean, it's not really a move down, but like
Let's move up. I mean, bro, this sucks. I'm sorry, I just had to come on and say it.
Yo, I'm just about to go on Bitcoin, bro.
No, Bitcoin. I don't even know if concepts work on Bitcoin.
I don't think they do, but I mean, there is in fact a lot more movement.
I mean,
Blah.
what the?
My bad.
Oh yeah, this was the fake news.
Really?
Yeah, hold on, I posted it in the server. That it went up like 2.5, I believe, for within 5 minutes. Or let's go to the 5 minute and look at it. Or within like 20, it was like 20 minutes for this whole trend.
That's pretty interesting.
Like I was trading Nas 100 just looking, and then I look on my right here. I see Bitcoin's up $500 because it was just down a little bit. So I click on it, and this thing spikes up all the way, and then dumps.
It's crazy.
Oh,
If I don't think there's really that much more to talk about currently because mainly all my questions got answered.
Good.
yeah,
I
same.
don't. Thank you for
Yeah,
that.
of course.
Thank
Don't
you
worry. Let me
so
know if you have any
much.
other questions.
Yeah,
Alright.
yo.
I'm doing a new eval right now. I'm up 1K on it.
The move
1.1K on it.
prior.
Wait, are you still
Sheesh.
recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording. I could also do like a little back testing session, but this price too weird. I'm just gonna continue what I'm predicting for
But
tomorrow.
also, like, you don't want to make the videos too long.
Let them suffer. If they want value, they can watch through it.
For
I want to see another manipulated move, maybe of this high right here. We also have that PD area right here. Let's see this real quick.
Yeah.
I need a second monitor, bro.
Maybe we could even form 3 drives from this too. Taking out this liquidity.
Mhm.
Boom. We have this. We go lower. Manipulation.
Wait, yeah. Quick. It's about like bias. Like, how do you create like your weekly and daily biases?
Oh, it's just where you think the market's gonna go. Basically, like break a structure, market structure shift, stuff like that. Right here, we did not get a
All
market
right.
structure shift, so we should be bullish. But right now, it's just looking like chop. Weekly, market structure shift, come up, and yeah, it's just chop.
All right. Gotcha.
But what was it called? The lower, higher time frames, like 4 hour, we're bullish. You can obviously see that we're bullish. But we got the market structure shift plus displacement, which I like to see, and this ghost. It looks promising for us to go lower. We could short the market.
Boost.
See it on the lines. Yep, that's a ghost. Clear cut ghost of the liquidity sweep that sent us lower. I miss trading like
Gotcha.
this. Price used to be so clean that the moves are right there. Like you just see a ghost like this. Hold up, let me do this properly. Because you'd be able to just up, down, up, break a structure, retracement, sweep
Are
liquidity.
prices hard to predict right now?
Yeah, market conditions suck right now, but you will learn. I'm still
Well, it's
making
good
money.
for me to learn
Yeah, of
in
course.
this.
Yeah. Like this is what the market used to be like. You come exactly into the equilibrium, short this, put the standard deviation in there, and you get a spot on trade. High and low
Well, I'm
percent.
just happy I'm learning in the hardest times.
Oh yeah, it'll make sense.
Yeah.
Cause
Or
one
the
day,
harder times.
yeah, I'll go over some
Good.
tweets too, like honorable ones. Some people's twitters I like. X, I mean X. We'll go over that because there's some good people in there like ICT, Fair Value God. Those people are the people I actually learn from. Like, see this guy? He also uses standard deviation, right here. Accumulation, manipulation, and distribution right here.
Perfect play.
Oh yeah. Alright, he also uses this indicator that shows the daily candle. Yeah, it's good so you can see like
Daily
power of 3 be
candle.
used. Yeah.
So it's mostly greens. Is that what it's telling?
Yeah.
Is that standard deviation he used in that?
Yeah, that's the standard deviation right here. I don't know why he didn't target the 5, but he went after the 4.
I mean, the 4 was right, though.
Yeah, it was a mistake, and the steps fall to the ground. This guy has a really
Oh, that's...
intricate silver bullet model. Like I was actually really interested in it.
Didn't he post the ICT for value gap? I didn't... Holy.
This guy, he's a silver bullet sharpshooter. And then
Mm.
Yeah, ICT is on a Sigma run. You see
Sharpshooter.
this? Told you it gets me interested. I'm not concerned and I risked nothing. I lost nothing. I didn't stress. Didn't hope I was right. I didn't have to know what was going to happen. Basically, don't trade Mondays. That's the moral of the story.
Okay.
And don't trade this.
Okay. So is Mondays always accumulation days, and
Usually,
same
yeah.
with like
It's
I
Wednesdays,
swear, bro.
Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays? Like, so it's like always like expansion day on Tuesday, stuff like that.
yeah, it's mainly just a good rule of thumb. I want to see if TGR loses on Monday.
He got 40 grand today.
Really?
Yeah. Traded off
39K.
for like 4 order
That is
blocks.
crazy.
Yeah.
The order blocks. I want to see his recap.
I saw on his Instagram.
I had a bunch of people sending me ICT's live stream yesterday
Ooh.
saying ICT said today's going to be bearish. ICT said it's not going to go above this
Really? That's a,
level. ICT said this, ICT said that. ICT is a better trader than me. ICT is an infinitely better trader than me. So
okay.
I'm gonna watch that.
You should go over everything, but it's better to just stick with one person and learn from them. Block out the noise as best as you can. It gets pretty
But
stressful.
low key, trading order blocks low key looks easy.
Oh yeah, it looks pretty easy, especially in the 1 minute. You should try it on a demo tomorrow.
Yo, are you
Yeah, I'm a.
Huh?
Well, first I'm gonna get down my strategy. Dude, I've seen some people that he reposted. He got like some other guys like 20 grand out of that on
Actually,
his Insta. Yeah,
crazy.
because it was a Zoom call in Discord.
Okay, yeah, this
Let's
is
see what he
this is what I was
traded.
looking for. It is no secret that this is the most strenuous market environment in decades. Be proud of yourself for learning in these conditions. It will be a blessing down the road. When conditions improve, we'll all come out on the other side better traders. That's what I was looking for.
Aren't-
Okay.
Look at this.
What's up?
Distribution.
Alright, he's going over it. I think I'm going to end the recording now, though, because I think we're done with the charts. We can go over another one tomorrow.
Yeah.
More recaps.
This is his trader recap.
Alright. I'll see you guys on the YouTube later.